Government job opportunity. Civil Hospital, Nongstoin West Khasi Hills District applications are invited for the post of Hospital Quality Manager on a contractual basis under the Meghalaya Health System Strengthening Project. Number of vacancies, 1 post. Monthly fixed pay, 22,000 performance-based increment applicable. Eligible candidates must have one of the following qualifications: MBA in Hospital Administration, MPH with Quality Certification, M.Sc, Nursing with Quality Certification. Desirable experience includes good communication and documentation skills, fluency in English, Hindi, and Khasi. Shortlisted candidates will be called for interview skill test. No TA/DA provided for interview. Apply now and be a part of quality healthcare delivery. For more details, visit Civil Hospital Nongstoin.